Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Yukon XL SLT 4-wheel drive, stock number Z9618XX. Only 53,000 miles in this Yukon. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. White diamond in color. This Yukon XL. Seat 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control, as well as heated middle row buckets. Seats fold flat with a push of a button on the inside of the doorway. Push again, they will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60-40 split third row seat. Folds flat with the push of a button. You can actually fold second and third row from the rear. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry and with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in perfect driving position. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive with auto setting, and integrated trailer brake control. Power moonroof. Large. Easy to read gauges. That forward collision alert. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated. Great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated as well as cooled front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto-dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Yukon XL has a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50 to 60% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.